Okay, I just got my hands on AppSumo's website template. Look at this box. So many design possibilities inside. Let's open it up and see what's included. First impression. Everything looks super modern and clean. Here's the travel app UI kit, over 70 screens. It's optimized for iPhone wax, perfect for mobile projects. Designers and developers, you'll love these efficient layouts. Next, the Dentist App UI Kit. Check out this interface. 20 customizable screens for patient management, so practical. Healthcare apps just got a massive upgrade. Now the Argon icon set, over 300 line icons. These are vector icons. Super crisp, super versatile. I love how professional these icons look. And here's EpicPxls. Tons of high-quality UI kits. Everything is tailored for fast project development. Let's try building a website using one of these templates. I'm picking a travel template for this demo. Drag, drop, customize. Honestly, it's really intuitive. Changing colors and fonts is so easy. I can swap out images in seconds. Let's add an icon from the Argon set. It fits perfectly. No resizing issues at all. Switching to the Dentist kit, let's try a landing page. All elements are editable. Text, images, buttons. I love how quickly I can launch a new page. Templates are fully customizable to match your brand. You can create a unique look without starting from scratch. Every template is optimized for both web and mobile. No coding needed, just design and publish. Perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Freelancers, this will save you hours per project. The UI kits look professional and modern. The icon set brings everything together visually. I'm genuinely impressed by the variety here. Templates cover so many industries and needs. You can quickly launch landing pages for campaigns, or build a full website in an afternoon. No more struggling with complicated builders. If you want beautiful, customizable sites, this is it. Highly recommend for anyone who values efficiency. Check out AppSumo's customizable website templates now. Start building your stunning site today, link below.